Fintech, an AI-powered financial decision platform. Consider this: an AI retail investor wants to buy a stock. They need to ask three critical questions. What is the market saying? Is the sentiment bearish or bullish? What do the fundamentals show? Is it overvalued? What does the momentum show? Will it go up or down? Is it a right fit for me? Does it fit my tolerance? Typically, it takes 30 to 50 minutes to answer these questions. But using FinDeck, I will go through with you to answer these in less than 5 minutes. So when you open FinDeck, you will see a market overview based upon your geolocation. So the key metrics here are today's performance, volatility, and currency strength, and whether the market for your current country is open or closed. Now let's generate a brief for Reliance. I'll click on this ticker and it automatically selects Reliance as the next ticker. So behind the scenes, there are three AI agents getting activated right now simultaneously to analyze this market report. Now, the researcher answers, what is the market saying? Okay, so here we can see a news analyst report and sentiment score and social sentiment that assigns a score for bearish or bullish. So here we have a bullish score with 95% confidence. Now here comes the analyzer agent. What do the fundamentals show? First, valuation, that is the P by E ratio, and it shows a 23, which is slightly above average, the sector average, but fairly priced for a growth stock. Now, what was the last day 5-day momentum, which I need from the fallback price history? It was negative 5.2, which means it is not rising very well. And what is the AI confidence for this whole report? It is 62 out of 100, which is a fairly high and well managed analysis. But because you had a medium risk, which the system already knows, the suitability is high for you as it is expected for the potential upside. So this is the risk manager, which aligns the complete report for you because it knows your profile for now. Also, we can see the SWOT analysis, the warnings or the possible opportunities from this stock. And the next we have the watch list. Every time you search for a stock, it gets saved into the watch list, as well as you can customize your own by selecting the watch list option, which you might want to review in the future, or you want the daily basis update for those. And to keep the reality grounded, we can also see a 30-day return and what was the high and the low along with the price chart for that particular stock. So, FinDeck transforms the investment decision process from a chaotic, time consuming search into a streamlined workflow. You get market intelligence, fundamental analysis, and personalized guidance all in one place, and that too within seconds. Thank you.